Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a sphere out of clay. And this will be a beginner tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see over here, I have some clay, and I actually have an example of a sphere that I made, and this is a rather small sphere. Now, the more clay that you get, the bigger your sphere will be. The less clay that you get, the smaller that your sphere will be. And I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. It's really, really easy. So I'm going to grab this piece of clay right here, and I'm going to just going to work it basically into a circular shape, give or take, into like a sphere type of shape. But as you can see, it's pretty bumpy and it's not formed well, but it's sort of like a circular spherical shape, okay? Now what I have to do in order to turn this into a sphere is I have to use my palm, okay? So we're gonna get the clay like this in my palm, and we have to roll it on something in a circular motion. So I'm gonna place the clay down right here, okay? I'll bring it right over here. I'm gonna put my palm, roughly, the clay will roughly be in the center of my palm, just like that. I'm gonna lift the camera up so that I don't knock the camera over, and I'm basically just gonna roll it into a circle, in a circular motion. I'm gonna move that example sphere out of the way, and I'm just gonna roll this one in a circular motion, into a circle shape, as you can see over here. So rolling it in a circular motion, and as you can see, it's starting to form a better sphere. And the idea is that if you just keep doing this over and over and over again with just gentle pressure, I am just applying gentle pressure. If you keep doing this, it should form a sphere. And then that's how you get a sphere, just like the one that I showed you earlier on towards the beginning of the video. You can see this is basically a really nice sphere. It's got a nice spherical shape, and it's literally that simple. You can literally do it that easily, okay? That's the best way that you can do it, is on something like this. I've seen people do it in the palms of their hands like this, you know, with their hands together. That can work as well, but the best way, in my opinion, is to get something perfectly flat, like a countertop or a tabletop or a desk or anything like that, and just roll it in a circular motion with just a little bit of pressure, and you'll get a nice, beautiful sphere. Look at how nice that is. That's really good. And that's basically it. It's a really good sphere. It's a really well done sphere. I've shown you how to make it, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.